Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear people, dear friends and dear subscribers, please visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get the notifications of all of my videos. And you will never miss any videos and any collections of my channel. So viewers, I have uploaded new stylish bob haircuts with bang haircuts, designs, decent dyed hair colors, haircuts and hairstyles ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos. And you like this one bob haircuts images, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. If you are a college girl or a business girl, this setup is look very great and very beautiful for you guys that I am gonna share with you in this videos. If you like my videos of viewers, please download my videos. And you like this one pop haircuts images, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. Today you will see in this video hundreds of new designs, hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel. I have uploaded new stylish girls bob haircuts, pixie haircuts, pixie bob haircuts, stacked bob haircuts, thick hair, thin hair and fine hair. Do you have new ideas of different haircuts images of viewers? Please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. Today you will see in these videos new stylish modern bob haircuts. So viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Today you will see in this videos new stylish girls bob haircuts, decent dyed hair colors, haircuts and hairstyles ideas. You will see in this videos front, back and sided pose haircuts images. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. I will meet you in next video. So take care friends.